All the Corvettes that supply the world get built right here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Well, guys, we're here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and we're going inside the National Corvette Museum.
Look, he's open.
Late 1953.
Crazy thing is, Zora told them to put the engine in the back 60 years ago, and here we are, C8 mid-engine. This place is also a restoration shop on top of being a museum and active delivery location. Well, guys, I've enjoyed checking out the automotive history of the Corvette. If you're ever in Bowling Green, Kentucky, check this place out. But until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next one.